Welcome back, friends. Superheroes aren't just in comic books, nature is full of them. From invisibility to regeneration, these incredible animals have real-life superpowers that would make even the Avengers jealous. Let's dive into the animal kingdom and uncover 10 of the most mind-blowing abilities you've probably never heard of. Our journey begins in the ancient lakes of Mexico, home to a creature that seems to have defied the laws of nature, the axolotl. This enigmatic amphibian possesses a power we humans can only dream of: regeneration. Imagine losing a limb only to have it grow back perfectly whole in a matter of weeks. For the axolotl, this is a reality. This remarkable creature can regenerate its spinal cord, heart, and even parts of its brain. Scientists around the world are captivated by the axolotl's regenerative prowess. By unraveling the secrets behind this ability, they hope to one day unlock the potential for human regeneration, revolutionizing medicine. From the tranquil lakes of Mexico, we plunge into the vibrant coral reefs, where we encounter a creature that packs a punch more powerful than any heavyweight champion, the peacock mantis shrimp. This dazzling crustacean, with its vibrant colors and intricate patterns, may seem harmless at first glance, but beneath its striking exterior lies an extraordinary weapon. The peacock mantis shrimp possesses two club-like appendages that it uses to strike its prey with blinding speed. These punches are so fast that they create cavitation bubbles, tiny pockets of vapor that implode with incredible force, generating temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun. The peacock mantis shrimp can shatter aquarium glass, crack open the shells of crabs and clams with ease, and even knock out prey much larger than itself. Our next stop takes us to the shallow, sun-dappled waters of the ocean, where we encounter a master of disguise, a creature so adept at blending in that it borders on the magical, the cuttlefish. This cephalopod, related to the octopus and squid, possesses an uncanny ability to change its skin color and texture in the blink of an eye. Imagine being able to camouflage yourself perfectly with your surroundings, becoming virtually invisible. The cuttlefish doesn't need to imagine for it. This is an everyday reality. Specialized cells called chromatophores, distributed across its skin, contain pigments of various colors. By controlling the expansion and contraction of these cells, the cuttlefish can create an astonishing array of patterns and hues, mimicking rocks, seaweed, or even sand with astonishing accuracy. But the cuttlefish's camouflage is not merely about blending in, it's also a tool for hunting, communication, and even seduction. From the vastness of the ocean, we journey now to the microscopic world, where we encounter a creature so resilient, so impervious to harm, that it seems almost invincible. The tardigrade, also known as the water bear. Don't let their diminutive size fool you. These microscopic creatures are among the toughest animals on Earth, capable of withstanding conditions that would spell certain doom for most other life forms. Tardigrades can survive being frozen solid at temperatures close to absolute zero, heated to boiling point, and subjected to radiation levels thousands of times higher than what would kill a human. They can even survive the vacuum of space, enduring the harshest conditions known to science. The secret to their incredible resilience lies in their ability to enter a state of suspended animation called cryptobiosis. In this state, their metabolism comes to a standstill, and their bodies become incredibly resistant to extreme temperatures, pressure, and radiation. Our next encounter takes us to the undergrowth of forests and woodlands, where we meet an insect with a defense mechanism so explosive, so ingenious, that it seems straight out of a science fiction novel, the bombardier beetle. This unassuming beetle, with its black and orange markings, possesses a secret weapon that makes it a formidable adversary. When threatened, the bombardier beetle unleashes a scorching chemical spray from its abdomen, aimed with remarkable precision at its attackers. This chemical cocktail, a mixture of hydrogen peroxide and hydroquinones, reacts explosively upon contact with air, producing a boiling hot spray that can deter predators many times its size. The beetle's abdomen is a marvel of natural engineering. Two separate chambers within its body store the chemical components, keeping them separate until the moment of attack. When threatened, the beetle mixes the chemicals in a third chamber, triggering a rapid chemical reaction that generates intense heat and pressure, propelling the scorching liquid outwards with a loud popping sound. Our journey now takes us to the murky depths of South American rivers, where we encounter a creature that embodies the raw power of electricity, the electric eel. This elongated fish, with its sleek, scaleless body, possesses the remarkable ability to generate powerful electric shocks, making it a formidable predator in its watery domain. Imagine possessing the ability to generate enough electricity to power a small appliance. The electric eel doesn't need to imagine, it does this effortlessly. specialized muscle cells called electrocytes, stacked like batteries within its body, generate electric discharges that can reach up to 600 volts, more than enough to stun prey, deter predators, and even knock a grown man unconscious. The electric eel uses its electric prowess for a variety of purposes. It can emit low-level pulses to navigate through murky waters, detect prey hidden in the sediment, and even communicate with other eels. When hunting, it unleashes a powerful jolt of electricity, stunning its prey before engulfing it whole. Our next stop takes us to the lush rainforests of Madagascar, home to a creature renowned for its color-changing abilities, the chameleon. But the chameleon's ability to change color is more than just a clever disguise. It's a complex form of communication, a way of life, and a window into its emotional state. Imagine being able to express your moods, intentions, and even your body temperature through a vibrant display of colors. For the chameleon, this is a daily reality. Specialized cells called chromatophores, similar to those found in cuttlefish, are distributed beneath the chameleon's translucent skin. By controlling the pigments within these cells, chameleons can shift through a spectrum of colors, from vivid greens and blues to fiery oranges and reds. While camouflage is undoubtedly a crucial function of the chameleon's color-changing abilities, it's not the only one. Chameleons also use color to regulate their body temperature, absorbing sunlight when they're cold and reflecting it when they're hot. Our journey takes us now to the ocean floor, where we encounter a creature that seems to defy the limits of regeneration, the starfish. These iconic marine animals, with their distinctive star-shaped bodies, possess an extraordinary ability to regrow lost limbs, making them symbols of resilience and renewal. Imagine losing an arm only to have it grow back, not once but multiple times. For the starfish, this is a fact of life. If a starfish loses an arm due to injury or predation, it can regenerate the lost limb, often with remarkable accuracy. But the starfish's regenerative powers go even further. In some species of starfish, a single severed arm containing a portion of the central disc can develop into an entirely new starfish, a process known as fragmentation. This remarkable ability allows starfish populations to recover from disturbances and maintain their presence in marine ecosystems. We dive now into the coral reefs, where we encounter a creature that wields sound as a weapon, the pistol shrimp. This diminutive crustacean, no larger than a human thumb, possesses a claw that can snap shut with such force that it creates a sonic boom, stunning prey and even cracking aquarium glass. Imagine wielding the power of sound, creating shockwaves that can stun your prey from a distance. The pistol shrimp doesn't need to imagine. It does this effortlessly. Its specialized claw, which can be either the left or right claw, is a marvel of natural engineering. When the pistol shrimp snaps its claw shut, a high-pressure jet of water is ejected at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. This jet of water creates a cavitation bubble, a low-pressure void that collapses almost instantly, generating an intense shockwave and a loud popping sound that can reach up to 218 decibels, louder than a gunshot. This sonic blast is powerful enough to stun or even kill small fish and crustaceans, making the pistol shrimp a formidable predator in its coral reef habitat. Our final journey takes us to the depths of the ocean, where we encounter a creature that seems to have unlocked the secret to immortality, the immortal jellyfish. This remarkable species of jellyfish, scientifically known as Turritopsis dorni, possesses the ability to revert to its juvenile polyp stage after reaching sexual maturity, effectively turning back the clock on its own lifespan. Imagine possessing the ability to regenerate your entire body, not just once or twice, but potentially an unlimited number of times. The immortal jellyfish doesn't need to imagine. This is its reality. When faced with environmental stress, injury, or simply old age, the immortal jellyfish undergoes a remarkable transformation. Its cells undergo a process called transdifferentiation, where they transform from one type to another, effectively resetting its biological clock. The aging medusa, the free-swimming bell-shaped form of the jellyfish, reverts back to a polyp, a stalk-like structure that attaches to surfaces. From this polyp stage, it can then bud off new genetically identical medusae, effectively creating clones of itself. From the regenerative powers of the axolotl to the sonic blasts of the pistol shrimp, the animal kingdom is teeming with creatures that possess abilities that seem ripped from the pages of comic books. Nature truly is the greatest superhero. From regeneration to invisibility, these animals prove the real world can be just as awe-inspiring as the fictional one. As we've journeyed together through this exploration of animal superpowers, we've only scratched the surface of the incredible diversity and ingenuity of life on Earth. Which of these superpowers do you wish you had? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more wild and wonderful animal facts. Until next time, stay curious.